Challenge number 1: PLC Programming and Test of Digital Twin for EXI University for the degree of Technology in Automation and Industrial Robotics for the class of Deepening Elective SCA and Industrial Controllers. Our teammates are Jason Gutierrez and Julian Garcia. For this challenge we are using the Siemens software TIA Portal version 15, and this is our PLC programming. First of all, we have our conveyor number 1 control, in which we are using a stop and a start signal coming from two different buttons. Our conveyor signal number 1 for holding on this conveyor on, and our box outside signal, which tells us that one box just go outside from our system. And we are using our stop blade signal, which tells us when the stop blade goes up and stop our conveyor number 1. Now we have our conveyor number 2 control, in which we are using our stop signal or conveyor number 2 signal for holding this conveyor on, and our buffer exit signal, which is a sensor who tells us that one box is going through the final zone of the conveyor number 1. Now we have our box passing and box pass signal, which tell us when one box is going from conveyor number 1 to conveyor number 2. Here we are using the conveyor number 1 signal, the buffer exit signal, and the box passing signal for holding this signal on. Once the box passing signal is on for 1 second and 250 milliseconds, the box pass signal turns on, and this signal turns off the box passing signal. Now we have our box going out and box outside signal, which tells us when one box is going outside from our conveyor number 2. Here we are using the conveyor number 2 signal, the add exit signal, which is a sensor at the end of the conveyor number 2, and our box going out signal for holding on this signal on. Once the box going out signal is on for 1 second, this turns on the box outside signal, and this signal turns off the box going out signal. Now we have our stop blade control, in which we are using our stop signal, our box pass signal, and our stop blade signal for holding this signal on. Once a box is outside our system, the stop blade goes down and our conveyor number 1 start again to work. Now we are using our factory I/O software, which allows us to simulate an industrial environment. In this case, we are using an environment with 2 conveyors, which help us to verify our PLC program. Now we push the play button, push our start button, and the system starts to work. As we see, the PLC program works correctly.
that the, that the ability to program PLC at an industrial levels is sometimes very useful since is the one of the best ways to the simple and or automatic the control of industrial systems. A factory I/O software is a beautiful use simulation tool in science. With it we can use similar simple industrial process, such as the conveyor belt and complex one such as the control filling out tank.